Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump. First, always prioritize safety by gathering your tools and wearing appropriate protective gear. Next, disconnect your vehicle's battery to eliminate any electrical risks. It's also crucial to relieve the fuel system pressure before you begin any work. This step ensures a much safer environment for you and prevents fuel from spraying when lines are disconnected. Taking these initial precautions is key for a smooth replacement. Now, let's find that fuel pump. Depending on your vehicle, you'll typically access it from under the rear seat or through an access panel in the trunk. You might need to remove some carpeting or even drop the fuel tank slightly by loosening its straps. Once you've exposed the area, take a moment to thoroughly clean around the fuel pump module. This prevents dirt and debris from entering your fuel tank during the removal process. With the pump accessible, it's time for removal. Carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and fuel lines attached to the pump assembly. Be gentle, as these can be fragile. Next, you'll need to unscrew the large retaining ring or remove any bolts that secure the fuel pump module in place. Once loosened, carefully lift the entire old fuel pump assembly straight out of the fuel tank, being mindful of any remaining fuel. Finally, let's install your new fuel pump. Always use a new gasket or O-ring to ensure a proper seal. Carefully lower the new pump assembly into the tank, making sure it seats correctly. Reattach the retaining ring or bolts, then reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors firmly. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position a few times without cranking to prime the fuel system and check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.